Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT 70 and let me show you how to turn off ads on your device. So once you want to remove annoying ads popping on your device, you have to open the settings at first, then find and select security and privacy. Here go a bit lower and mark privacy controls. Here select ads and now just mark delete advertising ID. As you can see, after that, apps can no longer use this advertising ID to show your personalized ads. Tap on delete to confirm, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.